Hello. Right, Japanese temple bell, bronze Buddhist. Okay, so I'm at a Shinto shrine. Some people remind me of that on occasion. Alright then, now this is old school. Alright, so we have a really old school striker for it. Very nice piece, a little bit wet. As you can see, not exactly the best of days. We did have some kind of monsoonal type of rain come along. It was I got drenched. You'll find quite a few wet splotches on the bell itself actually, but it's all cool. Anyways, what a beauty. It doesn't have any age, hold on a second, wet nose. Oh, it really poured earlier. Yeah, it doesn't have any script on it to tell us how old it is, but I'd put this, I mean this is old school, I'd put this somewhere in the 1800s I'd say. You can see from the striking points. Now that one is in a better condition, I guess. Better, could you call it better? I mean, look at this one here. Look how worn this one is. This is worn, really worn. Now imagine how long it takes to wear these striking points down. You know, oh, that's just water and what have you. I mean, this takes a long time. Now let's have a look. It's got a little bit of scratch there. That can be cleaned up just there. It's gone through the paint splat ceremony. That's what they do when they have a new bell commissioned. It goes through a ceremony, and this one would have taken its place. But this is clearly, I don't see no cracks or anything like that. It's a beauty. And inside, hold on a second, try not to get wet here. Inside, it's got amazing patina. It's a bit of wet marks there too. This is cool. Check this out. Real old school bell. And I guess it's time to listen to it. Right, see if I can just pop it about there. Try not to spin it too much. Okay, so you don't want to hit it with the flat. Wet. You want to hit it with just a bit of edge. What a beauty. What a beauty. Alright, so yeah, I'd put it somewhere in the 1800s. Try not to get wet here. Okay. This is a beautiful piece. What I'll do, I'll put it up for a fairly cheap price. I paid a lot for this. And I'll let others fight for it. You'll find, I mean, this is a good bell. Yeah, that, a lot of it could be cleaned up due to, you know, that paint ceremony thing and just splotches there and what have you. But, I mean, for the age it is. I mean, you don't want something that looks all new. You know, you want that patina in there. I'll have to weigh it. I'll weigh that very soon, and yeah, you get this striker with it. Yeah, fight for it. Wow. What else needs to be said, huh? Wow. Okay. I'm gonna put up a biwa fairly soon, and that should be my day. Yeah, I tried to get this done a whole lot earlier. Just those monsoonal type of rains come through. Yeah, this. Wow. This is. One more. Let's hit this. I'm gonna hit this one more time. Straight this one more time, and then it's yours. That's just the way it's gonna be. I'll do it on a really warm surface. Yeah, there you go.